about BPT, that is basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. So let us see what does the theorem tell us about. So it says that if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So first let us draw a triangle ABC. So name it as A, B and C. So the second thing what they have said is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of the triangle, so let us draw a parallel line to this side, that is BC. So we'll draw a parallel line, say it is L, and intersect at two distinct points. So these are the two distinct points, so we'll name it as D and E. So what do we have to prove is that other two sides are divided into same ratio. The other two sides are divided, so this AD and DB and AE and EC. So we have to show that AD upon BD is equal to AE upon AC. So this is what we have to prove. So now we got what is given and what we have to prove. So let us write that. So given it is DE is parallel to DC. This is given to us, that one line is parallel to one side of the triangle, and we have to prove is AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So before starting the proof, we have some few constructions to be done. So first thing is, we want triangles here which will help us to prove the theorem. So to draw the triangle, we'll join DC and BE. So we'll write here construction is what? Joint DC and BE. And the second construction is drawing a perpendicular on AC. We'll name it as N, and we'll draw perpendicular on AB. We'll name it as M. So second construction is draw DN perpendicular to AC and EM perpendicular to AB. So we got the construction, and now we can prove it. So first let us consider this triangle, that is ADE. So we'll proof it. Proof is consider triangle ADE. So we have to find the area of this triangle. So area of triangle ADE. How do we find the area? That is half base into height. So half, we will take base as AD. So AD, and the height will be this perpendicular, that is EM. So next we have to find the area of triangle DBE. So area of triangle DBE is equal to half into base we will take as DB into now height. So height, here there is no height, so it is like D, but we can see that there is a perpendicular EM which can be taken as height. So it is not necessary that height should be inside the triangle, it can be extended and it can be outside the triangle too. So we will take height as EM. So now we will divide this. So area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DBE will give you what? Half AD into EM and half DB into EM. So this gets cancelled, this gets cancelled, this and this. So we got area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DBE is equal to AD upon DB. So that we'll consider as equation 1. So now let us consider this triangle again ADE, but with a different base, that is we'll take base as AE. So again we'll write consider triangle ADE. So area of triangle ADE is equal to half into base. What we are taking this time? We are taking AE and we'll take height as DN. So height is DN. So next we are considering this triangle DEC. So we'll take base as EC and height again we'll take the outside because there's no height over here, so we can take DN as the height. So we'll do this and we'll put here. So area of triangle area of triangle EDC half into EC into DN. So we'll divide this area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle EDC is equal to half AE into DN upon half EC into DN. So this got cancelled, this got cancelled, this and this. So we got area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle EDC is equal to AE upon EC. So we'll consider this as equation 2. So now we'll see this, that area of EDC, and in the first equation area of triangle DBE. So we'll see these triangles. So these are the triangles, so DBE and EDC. So these both triangles are on the same base, that is DE, and in between the same parallel lines. So there comes a property wherein it is like if two triangles come on same base and between the same parallel lines, the areas are equal. So we'll write that. So we'll write this as both the triangles are equal. So that is area of triangle DBE is equal to triangle area of triangle ECD. Triangle EDC. So from where do we get this? That is triangles are on same base and in between the same parallel lines. So with this what will be the equation 2 become? So instead of EDC we can write as DBE. So equation 2 becomes area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle DBE is equal to what we got, AD upon AE upon EC, that is AE upon EC. So we'll consider this as equation 3. So we can see this now, that is the left hand side of equation 3 and equation 1 is same, so the right hand side will be also equal. So from equation 1 and 3 we can write as that what is equation 1, that is AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. So this is what we got and this is what we had to prove. So theorem is proved here. So we can write that, hence proved. So we got, that is the other two sides, that is AB, AD and DB and AE and AC are divided into the same ratio. The other two sides are divided into same ratio and we got the proof. Thank you.